go. Welcome, Dr. Kanchan. I am so excited to record this journey of yours with me today at this point. Why? Not just because of the 10 closings you have made in the last 2 months, getting 10 clients, paid clients, and good amount you've charged from them. You've earned more than six figures, in the last 2 months, and that was a dream at one point for you. So, the becoming of this person, this Kanchan, is the most beautiful thing about this journey. And the way you are being able to really bring out your passion, your vision, your service to the world, that excites me the most about this journey. So, Dr. Kanchan, first of all, many congratulations for your success of hitting your first six figures with us and closing 10 clients in the last 2 months. Not just that, I really want to know, Dr. Kanchan, there are so many people who have pure intentions to serve. But what is happening in the industry? Why are people not able to sell their programs, not able to bring out their dreams in the world? What was your challenge before coming in the program?
Actually, ma'am, I think we are too much into our mind while going into this industry. I mean, we have skills, we know the person need it, but we don't have the way, the roadmap how to go into their programs. And again, one more important thing that I experience is that when we give things for just for value without any intention, pure value, we have given it free also, even then it is not valued and implemented. So actually designing a program with a value was very important, and delivering that was again more important. And I think that is where we struggle. Everybody struggle.
And
As a
what was the
coach,
struggle related to asking for money from people? The sales, the real sales fears. I remember you had, ma'am, मैं बेच सकती हूँ क्या? Like you always had this thing. So what was that all about? And how many people do you see having similar challenges in the industry?
actually मैम honestly बहुत सारे challenges थे. I was always having like ये चलेगा तो सही, but मैं बेचूं कैसे? पता तो है ये product की जरूरत है. There is a need, but मैं बेचूं कैसे? I never knew how to sell. And I always have this line of yours that sales is a service. That's a powerful sentence, because honestly, after connecting with you, after selling crafters, after getting the reviews of parents, I really feel your word is a golden word, that sales is a service. I help the main thing is everybody is doing a service, but we don't know sales. So how can the service be profitable? How can the service can work? वो तो वन साइडेड सर्विस हो गई मैम, हम दूसरी साइड तो काम ही नहीं कर रहे कुछ भी. तो सेल्स जब तक नहीं आएगा मैम तब तक सर्विस नहीं कर पाएंगे.
And how long can you continue like this without
Well,
monetizing it?
yeah, we can't continue for long because actually people must be continue. देखो continue तो मैं भी कर ही रही थी 2 सालों से, because I wanted to explore that really what I am working on is going to work or not. But जितना पेशेंस मेरे में शायद सब में नहीं होएगा. मेरे को कोई
बिल्कुल
चैलेंजेस,
बिल्कुल.
फाइनेंशियल चैलेंजेस नहीं थे तो मैं अपने हिसाब से कर रही थी ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. बट बहुत लोग होंगे जिन्होंने काफी लोड ले रखा होगा, and they need to
Absolutely.
monetize it, because actually for me it was a career option, hobby plus. But today, yes, I am passionate about this. I'm giving 6 to 8 hours for my work today, which wasn't in past. But when I see others, they are literally put so much of everything. So yeah, if they really want to serve, they need to have sales. It's very necessary.
Okay, amazing. So, sales is very important. So, Dr. Kanchan, what is the most unexpected shift you experienced after understanding that sales is service? What is the most unexpected shift in your own journey that you felt?
Ma'am, actually I saw that uh, मैं मैं जब कोई when I'm talking about my product or something, and not about like should I pitch, should I not, should I convert this person, should I not, ये होएगा नहीं होएगा. I'm just about in the present moment, communicating with the person, understanding the facts, and just going with the script that is given by you and the words that you say, thus following that. I mean बोलते हैं ना कि brain in the freeze model. I have learned from many mentors, तो brain in the freeze model use करती हूँ मैं कि just follow करना है. And that day also Rosarika said like you just follow Bina ma'am. And that day I said back again to you कि just for a risk I said okay this much. And it got like okay, they were ready. Means nobody have an objection. People are there, they have small big objections, everybody is having, but you taught us everything. I mean, how to do it, that's the main thing we need to learn.
Amazing. So, Dr. Kanchan, I really want to know now you've, closed 10 clients in a row in the last 2 months. When you started actually getting the money, like you closed a client of 20,000, 30,000, which was once a far-fetched dream. What shifted in you internally as a coach, as a person?
In the part of money, ma'am, I don't think I much resonate with money, because yes, it is always there in my life, but earning on my own, I think I am a custodian of this Mindset Manifestation Academy account. It's completely goes to a different account, which is my this startup account, and I want to transfer it. But yeah, what changed in me is that the more I sell, the more I want to sell. I think that's what have changed. I mean, again and again, what next need
Yes,
to come? What next?
you
And
are unstoppable.
one more line you said was that when somebody comes to you, you need to have an offer for every person. Means you need to have that. That is what a coach is about. आपका पास you need to, means चाहे big small something, you need to have an offer. And
Yes,
I learned that, means I learned that because now if a parent comes to me for a child, but then the parent have a challenge, I have offer for them. A teacher have a challenge, basically I'm working on these three models: teacher, parent, and student. So as you said, I mean, working on this way, that changed a lot.
amazing. And did it affect your self-worth also? All this people paying you the money, coming inside your program, being excited to work with you. Is it changing your self-worth also as a coach?
Honestly speaking, I always had a great self-worth for myself, but yeah, people seeing me have changed their perspective. And generally we are judged by people around. I mean, we can't, the main problem is what, ma'am, what work we are doing, it take a lot for a person to understand, because
Yes,
it is not a traditional field we are working in.
totally.
It's just you are sitting in front of a computer, you are doing something, but they don't understand what work we are doing. But when the things
Absolutely.
get monetized, the work is really seen.
Seen.
Something is seen, and that's the biggest part, because I'm not doing this to create my self-worth, but people like us,
Hmm.
if they don't monetize the work won't be justified any day. It will be like
Absolutely.
ठीक है यार, time pass कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely. Absolutely agree with you. So tell me one thing, Dr. Kanchan, which part of the entire training has got a fastest confidence shift in you?
This line I like to repeat. I learn it every day. I should share it with everybody. The main mantra, ma'am, that you gave, which really brought a shift not only in my journey on this sales, but everywhere around. Everywhere around was that marketing is not about becoming great at taking a yes. It's about accepting no from people without contaminating your energies. And this is a big thing. The last line, contaminating your energies, ma'am. When we in our family, everywhere around, when we say something, if somebody objects us, automatically energies get contaminated. And that what stayed with me. And this is the biggest aspect I'm thinking is changing in me. I reflect more. And yes, something happens. I like, okay, what is the pattern in me that is bringing this in front of me? I think that's the biggest thing. This sentence have helped me a lot.
So beautiful. Such a, like, the kind of person you are, Dr. Kanchan. So much of surrender, so much of love, so much of gratitude. Actually, it's your ability to reflect which is bringing you such massive results. And, like, tell me that why do many trained coaches still struggle to sell? And what changed for you here? I know many things changed, but why are others struggling so much?
I think we have, as you said again and again, ma'am, in our sessions, like take surrendered action. Always we have focus on the result than on the efforts we put. So I think that's the biggest thing every coach need to learn, is that how much effort we put instead of on the results. Because when I studied what materials, what things you give, and I studied with Jay Shetty and most of the people, the day one, there's only one or two like the first time they posted, and today they are in millions, and we see the millions and get impacted by them. But the journey was with one. So it's with everybody of us, each one of us. So that's the consistency we need to with us work, surrendered actions. I think all these things I learned here, honestly. I was taking surrendered action, but yeah, the energy shift, because when we are with a mentor who have an high energy, I think that automatically shifts. That magnetism is there, ma'am, with you. That is also changing a lot. I always say Saraswati Vardhan was there with me, but Lakshmi Vardhan I got from you.
That's your love. Thank you. Thank you. So, Dr. Kanchan, what will be your message to all the people who are currently struggling in their journey to monetize their passion? They have the dedication, they want to help the world, they want to move forward in their journey, but they're stuck. What will be your message to them?
I would first thank you. The one who inspired me, the journey whose journey inspired me was Rajni. I have seen her grown from just from a small. We were in the same community of a coach, and I've seen her shifting. And her shift bought me like what she is doing. यार वो ऐसा क्या कर रही है that have shifted her. In the same way, the person who is seeing me today, they must have seen me since long. But today, numbers, when the numbers say, so this can happen with anybody. So I think everybody should at least give one opportunity to understand what sales are. No matter how intelligent we are, no matter how talented we are, but we are never taught to monetize it. We are never taught, ma'am, because in our culture, monetizing is supposed to be desired and it have a spiritual, what you can say, na, पैसे तो क्या जरूरत है, सेवा के लिए पैसे की क्या जरूरत, all sort of things. There are these taboos. I mean, these beliefs are there. I too had these beliefs once, but today I learned that yeah, sales are service.
Amazing, amazing. So, Dr. Kanchan, your message is so loud and clear, very clear, crystal clear to people that sales is service. You internalized it, you got results, and that is what they also need to do if they really want to change the game and really take their vision to the next level in this world, right? So, now one last question. If somebody is at the verge of joining me, what would your advice be to that person? Thinking, अरे join करना है नहीं करना, will it be like some other program? What will be your message to them?
I believe if you believe in your program, you should believe the mentor. First, the believe in yourself, your program. Yes, I believe my work. I believe my systems. Then you need to believe your coach also. That is the thing I think. So the belief comes. It comes with your coach. I mean,
Yes.
अपने पे है फिर आप
Sometimes,
दूसरे
पता
पे
है,
करना सीखो.
sometimes I feel that people don't have that belief in their program also. But when they are with like-minded people in a community
That
where
also works.
everybody has started believing in themselves, step
Yeah,
by
often
step,
we need to borrow the belief also. We need to start borrowing
absolutely.
the belief also.
Borrow
100%. That's so
belief
true.
from people. Yes, borrow belief from the people. Amazing, Dr. Kanchan. Many, many congratulations to all the success that you have created for yourself and for all the great work that you will continue to do with in this world. I am really excited to see the journey that's coming forward.
Thank you,
Um,
ma'am. Thank you.
one golden tip that you would like to give people before we just close this.
I'll say go for a clarity call with ma'am.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, Dr. Kanchan, and all the best. Keep going on your journey. The world needs more coaches like you, and your vision needs to be expanded in the world. Thank you so much, and take care. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy New Year. Thank you. Happy Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Yeah.